Are you chasing someone badly in spite of their ignorance? Are you chasing someone who doesn't want you? Then you feel like you are not good enough for them, and you are so disappointed about it. Yet, you still pursue that type of relationship, even though you are aware precisely what the final result is: rejection, unsatisfaction, and unhappiness only. There is no use in doing so anymore. You should stop seeking one-sided relationship from a person whom doesn't give you value and respect you're feeling with some following recommended ways. Of course, there are numerous ways to cope with this situation. In this video, we will reveal 8 ways that you can use to win their heart and make them start chasing you. Let's start. Number 1, define problem and apply stop approach. This is the first and essential way that you need to take is to analyze what exact problem is and seek a better option to deal with it. After realization, you need to stop your actions that may disturb them, such as texting them constantly or seeking their presence all the time. You must learn to be alpha male that is not so needy all the time. Thus, you should give them some spaces and boundaries since you don't know what they have been through. It may be hard at first, but it is win-win approach for both parties. Plus, you need to remember that you don't have to be a needy person. You must be strong, independent, and optimistic being. Number 2, happiness is in your mindset. Keep in mind that you are accountable for bringing joy and happiness into your own life. You are the one who controls your own peaceful mindset. No one can't besides you. If you like someone so much, learn not to expect too much that he or she make you happier. Even though you got rejection from someone, you don't have to feel depressed since everything will be all right. More importantly, you need to create your own happiness by doing other things that make you smile and resilient, such as go for a vacation, go fishing, or go to the gym to shape your body and soul. Once you start enjoying your own company, others will impress by your actions and regard you as their role model as well. Number 3, don't try to change who you really are. Being yourself is so essential point that you can apply. If the one you are chasing, he or she, tries to change the real you, you should stop chasing them instantly. It is crucial that you accept as who you are, and they must respect your value and show willingness and compromise to acknowledge your true color. Don't feel inferior about yourself, since we are born different and nurturing in varied social environments. More than that, you should live your life the way you think it is the best deal for you. In addition, it is also a parent message to show other people that you always put yourself first no matter what has happened in your life. Don't be ashamed in revealing your self-worth and self-esteem. Number 4, don't be desperate for either affection or attention. Seeking affection or attention from someone is not worth your value at all if it is not mutual action. If you are interested in someone, you have to do in professional and independent manner, meaning that you don't have to be a needy person for their presence at all. You need to learn how to kill them with kindness, namely showing them that you are a trustworthy and supportive person so that they can rely on you, and you can still live happily without their presence as well. More than that, you need to learn yourself first before seeking affection from opposite sex, since you are the only one whom responsible for taking a good care of both physical and mental health. Number 5, focus on your future plan. No one knows what future holds, but you need to make sure you are planning in advance to achieve your main goals in the future. You need to write down your solid plan, what you are going to see yourself in next 5 years or 10 years. With that thinking, it will make you more attractive and other people eagerly want you in their lives. More than that, you need to be optimistic and consistent toward the main goals since they are long-term commitment to make you a better human being in the future, and those things take such time. Yet if succeeded, your effort will pay off. Most importantly, it is a sign that you can either live happily on your own or seek compatible partner to thrive together as well. Number 6, timing is everything. Building long-lasting relationship won't be that easy as you thought. You need to be patient and committed. Timing lets you and your partner know each other well for both perfections and imperfections, so both of you will be aware how to compromise as one another when bad things occur. Thus, you let them decide and do not rush in making decision, and do not put pressure on each other, since it is not worth obtaining toxic relationship at all. What's more, only time can tell what is going to happen in the future. Therefore, you need to be ready to accept and compromise accordingly, since it is all the best that you can do ultimately for yourself and the one you chase. Number 7, don't feel bad about yourself. If you got ignorance, you felt so broken, but you need to learn to regard it as experience and try to understand that there are always reasons that made them do that. Sometimes they have been hurt before, which makes them feel terrified of getting into relationship once again. Therefore, you don't have to make assumption that you are not good enough for them. Just let them be and willing to find others instead. Plus, you need to realize that no one cannot make you feel incompetent and disappointed besides your mindset. Therefore, you should learn to accept it is what it is approach, since you cannot control happening in your life. Furthermore, you should master your mindset to think positively. Number 8, there will be someone that is compatible for you. Just moving on, and don't be stuck if you are rejected. Don't feel depressed, but feel optimistic instead, since there are 8 billion people in the globe, that one of them must be fated and destined to be yours. Therefore, let them go with peace and seek another compatible soul instead. Just making sure that you are treating yourself well, aligned with your long-term career and goal first. The right person will come into your life unexpectedly, and you will live happily ever after. Ultimately, you will realize that you're willing to walk away from those you're chasing. Then you open up a door of opportunity for the right person to come and enjoy your company for good, no matter what. Final thoughts. It is so obvious that never chase love, affection, or attention if it is given freely by another person. It is not worth having it all, so you should be happy on your own and accept who you really are. Most importantly, you need to learn to enjoy your own company and create the best version for yourself. One day, the right one will come into life and light it up. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave your comment below. See you in the next video.